In this bite-sized video we have a quick trip up through Thorpe Green, but first of all we encounter the slowest regatta you've ever seen. Bit of a smell about, isn't there? There's an otter. Better explain because I don't think you can see it properly, but that boat just there on the right now is called the Otter. There, look. There.
What are these doing?
Otter. Fishing. And we're just approaching Commissioner's Cut and Colette abandoned ship. Oh no, it's there's a little bit of a regatta going on. Just keep to the right, Colette.
Yeah, take over. I'm not really.
Carl. Carl, take over.
You need to take over. What's he pointing at? Do you want to stop?
Yeah.
Eh?
Well, if you go to the left.
What's he saying?
Morning.
Morning.
Just to let you know, I mean, you can see they're close together, but there's not much wind, so they're going to struggle to get out of your way. So if you can, as much as you can, stick to one side or the other.
Yeah.
And then just try and weave your way through.
Yeah, I think we should be all right now at the back. That's Commissioner's Cut.
You do that. That's what I'm going to do. I'm going to walk today. I thought you wanted to tell us to turn out.
Yeah, right.
What are these learning?
No. I don't know whether they're learning or not, but there's not much wind about for them, they said. Go a bit farther over to the right, Carl. Well, it's a race, it's the slowest race ever. Bit of a breeze there, just caught it. Keep to the right, girl. Morning. You just missed the back of our boat then. Get out of the way. What's it say on that bridge there?
Do it there, mate.
Just go towards the bridge. But be prepared to like go left. If it says 7 foot, we'll go on
left. Oh.
Well, it's saying, is it saying 7 foot? I can't see from here proper with my glasses.
I'm going left.
Under the bridge.
It's a
No, go under the bridge. It's language, I've got the camera on.
Oh, sorry.
7'2", right, we should be alright.
Am I right, David? Middle there, or what?
Right in the middle.
What?
Do what you mean, are you right or are you in the middle?
I don't know.
Or are you right in the middle?
You have to do it.
I will have to do it, yeah.
You do, don't you?
This camera got off, speed got off my thing.
Yeah.
That'll be alright. It's a nice little village this, you've got the rush cutters there at this end, and there's another one farther down, I can't remember the name of it, and then I think there's another one even farther down that. And I think there's one that, like an hotel that you can go by the river. Pardon?
We get attacked by seagulls.
So this is Thorpe St Andrew. Thorpe Green. Pardon? Now there's another bridge at the other end as well, you know.
Is that?
Yeah. I think one's slightly lower than the other, but I can't remember how much by and which one it is. So if this one's only got 7 foot, cycling helmet. Yeah, we're in the book on the green, that's where we've been in that one. And I'm sure we'll be right in something a bit farther down that you can sit in the rear garden by the river. And again, that might not be true.
All these two down here, but
Pins and needles in the fingers. Getting near that time now, Carl. Hmm?
Past it,
Said we can't have until 12.
who said?
Claire.
That's going to be up to you. Tell us right.
We'll do it when we get under the bridge. Claire, can you get us a couple of beers, please?
That's fair play. Faster.
What did you say?
Just let's go through here.
Listen, I think you know very well that I'm beyond control, so don't try controlling me now. Oh, there it is. The river garden, that's what I must have been thinking of. Sat by the river with a beer. Waterside bar and kitchen, yeah, that must have been it. Yeah. A few old sunken boats around here. The train. Yeah, this isn't the one at the end. This is the low one. Pop in for a bite of pizza. Where we sat outside. Yeah, I think it's probably the marker that's just over 7 foot.
Yeah, yeah.
Yeah, we need to.
Right, haven't they?
Well, we don't want to stay here really. Although it is not a bad place to start, but we won't be able to get out until later tomorrow, too late tomorrow. Really. 7'2" this year,
Doesn't like an hit it though, doesn't it? See, it's somewhere in the eyes, honestly.
Right, so next stop, Norwich. I hope you enjoy that little trip up through Thorpe Green. Not everybody can get under those bridges, so some people, especially newcomers to the Broads, may never even been up there at all. It's a lovely little place. It's nice to stop over there if you can get under the bridge. And don't forget, make sure you subscribe so you can get a chance to win one of these top class, really costly t-shirts. Well, when it's really costly, not really that costly. But anyway, so thanks for watching. See you later.